Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI Desktop tutorial. We'll continue building our dashboard, and on today's lecture we have cards. Go from insert, right click on here, and we have cards. So I'm gonna minimize it, and we adjust it from here, and it's gonna add the data. So I need to add this card and then put it at the background, KPI background, so we can adjust it in here. Add the data. For the first card, I'm gonna put the total revenue. Okay, and then we need to adjust it. Okay, and you can also right click from here and you can rename it. This rename will not affect on the name within the data model, only for the card. And you have click enter. You have the revenue in his change, and we have a couple of options we can do the formatting. From here, more options, and you have the formatting. The first thing within size and style, you have size and position. You're gonna remove the background. So now you don't have this is the background. It's gonna back again the formatting, and we have within cards apply setting to, gonna keep it for revenue. I don't need the borders. I remove the borders so I can put it at the end in here. And it's gonna go for callouts, and we have in here this is the value format and this is the label format. I'm gonna go first for the value. You can change the font, keep it this font, and the size I'm gonna reduce it to, for example, 34, make it lower, and keep it bold. You change the color from here, more colors, again just drag it like that, choose the best color you want, and gonna position it in the middle. This is the horizontal alignment, so keep it in the middle. This is for the value format, and also you have down, this is for the label, this is for revenue. We can also change the font if you like, and also can make it bigger. This is keep it 14, make it bold, and can also change the color. I'm gonna keep it white, and then I need to put it here. And you have also the position. So you're gonna change the color so you can see the position. You can put it top, you can put it bottom. So I see this is the revenue, and it's gonna change it to white. And it's gonna check now. Can adjust it manually. We check it from here. We need to remove the background. We back to the cards. We have the border. We have move the background. And now here we go. We make it adjust a little bit. Now it sounds okay for me. If you need to, and instead of going back again, insert a new card. Just all you have, just copy, best, and best. This is 1, 2, 3, and now you can just change the data type. So this is from, you can add the total. We have the total profit. Anything is from your measure. And for this one, we can add total orders. And for this one, I'm gonna add from here, have the return rates. I'm gonna add the return rates. Okay, I'm gonna keep this one in here, and this one in here is the total orders. This is the return rate, and you can select 1, and then 2, 3, 4, go back to format, align, so align top, and then align back, distribute horizontally, so I can adjust from here. And you can manipulate it whatever you like. It's not like perfect for me, but you can do it. Adjust them manually, reduce the size, change the font if you like. Okay, so this is how to insert a card, and then we come back from here to selection. I'm gonna remove this one. You see how card. I'm gonna select all of them. 2, 3, 4. Group. This is group 1. Gonna double click. This is KPI values. We can do one more things. We group the KPI values and KPI background together, so allow us to easily move them within one copy and paste group, and double click. This is KPIs. So now the reason we make them with one group, so you can copy them and put them with the customer details. So just click on here, Ctrl C, back to the customer details, Ctrl V, and now you will have it. You can just select all of them, right click, group, and group, and you need to back again. So just click on that, remove it, click on that, and it's gonna back again. This group and a group. Keep this one, keep this one. You can remove this one, and also example this together, and group and a group. Keep this one here, keep this one here, remove this one, remove this one. And this is for customer details. You need anything related to the customers. So you can from here add data, remove the total profit. If you need to add it from here, the total customers is the total customers. Okay. And if you need to add it from here, you can just go for data, remove this one. This is the average. Go from measure, tables, the average revenue by customers, average revenue by customers, and you can rename it. This is revenue per customers, and this is how you arrange tables. And but this is not perfect. You can do it much more perfect. This is for we need to work on, and this is the average total cost, and you can manipulate whatever you like. So this is how to insert a card in Power BI, and this is for this lecture. We are going step by step. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.